A very happy new year to all of us. The year of transformation 2025 we are done with, and we are entering into the sun energy of 2026, and we have landed on the 111 portal of this year. Now in this 111 portal, the last one that we are getting is from 2026 total. 2 plus 2 plus 6, that brings us to 10. So let's not ignore the number 0. It is a powerful indication of something more universal. Let's not miss out on this bigger thing. I'll tell you why. Now, whatever rituals, whatever remedies, whatever manifestations we are going to follow today, or we will start from today, I want you guys to add one more amplifier with this manifestation tool. What happens is, when we are looking out for abundance of wealth, health, love life, attracting good love life, or something to do with career, the moment we are making those manifestations and affirming those things, we attach a bigger goal, a universal goal to our achievements. How do you do this? I'll give you an example. Now, if I have a goal of earning 5 lakh per month, how do I do this? I earn 5 lakh from this month to the next month and the next month, and since I am making so much of money now that I want to help more people like me to grow how I have grown. How do you do this? You do it by fix a percentage of your amount, of your net profit amount, for well-being of, suppose you can donate to women empowerment, you can donate to places of upscaling and upskilling. So this is how you help other people to upscale and grow too. So the universe hears it very well. The moment your growth is also attached to many people's growth, it is very well received by the universal energies, and the frequency of your success multiplies to magnificence. Okay, this is one way. Now suppose if I am manifesting for a very good life partner, so my affirmation would go like, since I have met the beautiful partner and he is so caring and loving, I feel like helping more people. And I do. And what do you do when you are telling about helping more people? You can help people in emotional distress. You can go to NGOs where they are working for the rehabilitation of people who are suffering through emotional traumas. You can also help on your own small level to people who are in emotional need. So this becomes a universal goal. The moment your personal goal is attached to the universal goal, amplifying and attraction happens so easily and so swiftly. Now, if you are attracting a goal where you want to achieve your health, now suppose my goal is, now that I have reached to my ideal weight of 60 kgs and I feel so light and fit, I am helping more people to achieve their health goals. Now, how do you attach this to the universal goal? You can either provide medicines or medical help to old age homes, to child welfare and health, or you can also do one thing. You can take or adopt a patient's healthcare, or approach any cancer rehabilitation center, things that are connected to health. Basically, you can do that. Or you can also provide medical help to your house help, to your staff. All this is countable, and then it attaches to the universal growth. Okay, the same way you can also attach your personal career growth. Now suppose my affirmation is, since I have now landed into the dream job that I always wanted to do, and I earn so much that I want to educate or help more people and make them grow well and share my journey with others. So what do you do in this case? You can go to schools which need donations. You can go to orphanages and adopt a child education, a single child's education for that year. If you don't want to do it on a monthly basis, you can collect, and collectively whatever percentage you have set for this purpose, and yearly you can go and donate for the well-being. So anything that you are going beyond your personal goals and amplifying it to the universal goal, it comes back to you in much more magnitude and amplifies and speeds up your personal growth. So this is a magical trick. This is a magical thing that is going to not only help you grow, but also make you a beautiful human. And of course, we all know that we all have our soul purpose. Whatever is your calling, you can help in that sector. Whatever is your percentage or your will to share that amount, or you can also share your time. You can go and give your time to those kind of purpose. The moment you attach this, you will see the magic happening. Don't underestimate the power of this zero. ये शून्य ना एक बहुत बड़ा पोर्टल है जो आपके लिए खुलेगा for your life ahead. इसलिए इस शून्य का पावर एक बार अपना के देखिए, अपने जीवन में उतार के देखिए, अपने जीवन में, and you will see the magic happening in your life and also others' life. That satisfaction is the biggest happiness that we as human can experience. Don't miss out on this, guys. All the best. Follow us for more such beautiful, life-changing guidance. All the best. Love.